I used to think I needed to pay full price for makeup products I loved. But what if I told you, out of all the products I use to get ready today, my hair products as well, all being big name brands, that I did not pay full price
for one of them?
It has become somewhat of an addiction now, finding that amazing finds. So come shopping with me. Let me teach you some of my tricks from doing this for almost 4 years. The first product I found was a Marc Jacobs highliner, which retails on Marc Jacobs' website for $27. Now I did find it on sale for about $13.50, but that's a whopping 50% off. The next product I found was Cover Fix Custom Cover Drops. These originally go for about $29 on Ulta, and I found them for $6.99 at TJ Maxx. That is about 76% off. The next I found was the Bobbi Brown Illuminating Bronzing Powder, which retails on her site for $44. At TJ Maxx, it was just $17.99. I always will check in the clearance section as well. I was so glad I did because I found this Dry Bar Duo from their Saki Balm line with a full-sized shampoo and conditioner set for $24. That's $2 less than what they charge on their site for just one shampoo or conditioner. Heads up that you want to check for is the shampoos, conditioners, hairstyling products. Depending on the day of the week you go, you might go to your TJ Maxx and there might not be a lot in the makeup section that day. I encourage you to check back again the next week, and sometimes it's just a bad month for those sort of products. Just continually checking is a really good idea. I also like to shop around at different TJ Maxx's. I know my local one has one of the best stock that I've seen. Keeping on track of their shipments, it doesn't hurt to also ask them. My local TJ Maxx has their shipments on Thursdays and I believe Wednesdays or Tuesdays. I could be wrong about one of those days, but asking when they get their stock in as well as checking out different TJ Maxx's doesn't hurt as well. So now that I told you all of my tricks on how I purchase things from TJ Maxx, I wanted to show you some of my favorite products that I have found within the last year alone that are now my favorite Holy Grail products. The first one I wanted to start with was the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. I was so excited when I found this because when it was released on her social media, I was just like, oh my gosh. I was obsessing over these colors. Like, they're just so pretty. I believed at the time they retailed for about $30. Just being patient and waiting, I was able to purchase this product for $14.99. It's really fun. It's not an everyday product, but still, I mean, I got 50% off. So my next two favorite foundation products are these products by Laura Mercier. This is her Flawless Lumiere Foundation. It comes in a pump, and I actually purchased this product in a different foundation that they had, and it was the wrong shade, but when I mixed these two together, I don't know, they're like my perfect shade of foundation. So I still consider that a win. I think I spent like $10 on one and maybe $12.99 on this one. This is her Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation. And another product I found was her tinted moisturizers. There was a time where all of these Laura Mercier products had been released to TJ Maxx, and I was like, okay, the first 2 times I felt like I lucked out, but then after that I was like, okay, something's definitely going on with her makeup line, and I found out she's discontinued these ones and she has a new ingredient, a new face for her tinted moisturizers. So definitely go check those out, but I've always been a fan of just her original tinted moisturizing foundation, so this was a win to me. Another product that I found was the Lorac Pro Pomade Mascara, and a lot of these products I will do my research on my phone while I'm there shopping around, and so I look for what is this retailing for, is this really a good product? So sometimes I'll look at the reviews, but I highly recommend that before purchasing something, looking at the reviews, looking how much they retail for, because you could just be getting a bum product that really isn't a good product, but you could be looking out as well. So definitely looking at the ratings, doing your research before you buy a product is always a good idea. And then this lipstick I'm wearing is from MAC. It is their Sheer Outrage. This is probably my favorite product that I have ever purchased from TJ Maxx. It's a concealer foundation that is injected with caffeine, and I have a really hard time with concealers because either they dry out my under eyes or they're super hard to blend. This is just like amazing. It makes me look like I'm super woken up, and it's just the consistency is perfect for me. I also wanted to say, sometimes, before I forget, you can sometimes find brush sets as well. So this is just a brush set I found by Real Techniques. It came with one more brush, which was just a flathead brush for foundation, and I can't find it, but I think I got this for $4.99, and I later looked it up. I think it goes for like $16.99. And then the last two products I wanted to show you guys was the Benefit Brow Contour Pro. If you haven't heard of this, this is by Benefit. It is their brow pencil, and it has these little clicky buttons. It comes with a highlighter, a concealer, as well as a light and a dark shade for your eyebrows. I really like this. There's a lot of reviews that are mixed on this product. Some people love it, some people hate it. I saw it and it was a really good price, and I picked it up, and now I'm running low on it and I love it, so I might have to buy it at full price. But that's another thing, is if you find something that you love, it also gives you really good insight on, do you want to pay full price for that product next time? And a lot of cases I end up realizing that no, I could probably do without that product, and I don't want to spend full price on that. And then there's some times where, like with the Benefit Brow Pen, I realized, okay, this is something that really did change up my daily routine, made my makeup easier to apply, and I definitely want to buy this product at full price. The last product I wanted to tell you guys about was my Becca. Oh, it's the Slim Light from Becca, and this is in the shade Champagne Pop. This was that shade that was released by Jaclyn Hill. That has always been my favorite highlighter that they have released. So when I found it in this cream to powder pen, I was just super ecstatic. Like one of those things where like you really have to get there right in time to be able to find it, and that was one of those things, and it is now like, I can't even imagine not having this product anymore. Those are all of my favorite products from TJ Maxx, and hopefully this video was informative to you on how you can save so much money on purchasing products through TJ Maxx, products that you would normally pay full price for. And if you're interested in more of these kinds of videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, guys.